Weeko.
And you don't trust him.
Hello.
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 Well, I'm not upset. I'm not upset. I'm frustrated. I know that
Hello.
Carl wants to do this. He doesn't know enough.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Oh yeah.
Why
Hey.
would you even ask me that?
Hey. No.
I'm not angry. I'm not angry, Paul.
Hey.
I'm not.
Hey.
I'm completely furious. I don't know.
No.
This isn't Carl's fault. It's certainly not the baby's fault. It's not even anyone's fault. There's no
Ow,
one
ouch,
to be angry
ouch.
at. So why do
Ow.
you feel so angry?
Because in a
Hey.
lot of ways you're a real person.
No, I'm feeling sorry
Hey.
for myself. I'm being an adolescent.
Carl
No.
and your children are your home. Now, as much as Carl loves you, and I'm sure he does,
No.
you're not convinced him. So
No.
once again, you're giving more to the relationship than
Stop
you're
it.
receiving.
Am I being unrealistic in expecting you to commit to this as much as I can?
No.
Weeko.
It's the absolute least.
Weeko.
So, Ow!
Ow.
Mum, sure.
Ow.
I wish I knew how to help him.
Don't you worry about Sky, she's doing fine.
Hey.
Keep an eye on Sky. I don't want to get any more sucked in until he is.
No, I'm sitting very close.
No.
Hi, my name's Tom Scully. Are you the new owner of the house?
Scully.
Yeah, I'm trying to track down my sister-in-law, Dee.
Oh, dear. Hey, Rick, can you write out Lynn's new address and number? And what's your name was again?
Tom Scully. Harold Bishop. Yes, Harold. Good to see you again. Yes, great. So what are you doing back here? Well, I've just been appointed principal of our house.
Who's a pillock?
That job in the
Hey?
back.
Ah, fucking pillock. Ah. 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 Oh yeah.
Or not.
Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Have you ever read...
Oh yeah. Hey.
Oh,